Right nowadays, I'm sure you hear people say they are applying for a housing loan and their loan got rejected. Rejected because of they don't pay their credit card consistently, 1 month, 2 months before, or sometimes their salary is too low or probably not enough documentation for the bank to process. So have you heard of PTPTN loan? Never pay and get rejected. Right now, PTPTN is an item in secret in your credit report, meaning that if you default in your PTPTN loan, it will shows up. I was really shocked to see PTPTN as an item as an outstanding credit. So from there, it shows very clearly. I'm going to do a screenshot. If you usually see in secret report, you usually see 1 for one month late payment, 2 for 2 month late payment. So have you seen a number of 64? So I've never seen that as well. So when I get the secret report, it says 64. So I thought it's like what? 64 is a code number or something. So when I inquire further, it means that 64 months never pay. And true enough, the bank reject. So what do you do? What do you do if bank reject? So there are a few things you can do. First and foremost, you need to pay the entire PTPTN loan off. You may ask, why not I settle a few thousand, I settle 50%. Will it still help? No, it will not help because the item is still there in the secret report. The purpose is to get the whole item of the loan off from the secret report, because right now it shows 64 or 60 something. Even though you see 3, 2, the bank don't like those numbers, you still need to settle those. Another way that I know of is by doing a restructuring. You go to PTPTN, ask them to do a restructure. So by doing a restructure, what they will do is they will remove the whole item off from a secret, and they will calculate and give you a new repayment plan, and then they'll add that item into the secret, which shows 000. However, to do a restructuring, it takes about 3 to 4 months. You can wait, then it can work for you. If let's say you already signed a letter offer, within like 14 days, 21 days, you need to get a loan, the fastest way is to settle the entire PTPTN. Immediately, they will give you when you settle, please don't settle online, no? Because it takes some time. Go to PTPTN office, settle it straight there. You can pay by cash, check or bank draft. Then they will give you a letter saying that you have settled it, the entire amount. You can use that letter, give it to the banker. The banker will understand that you have settled it, even though your secret is not updated, still showing the loan. They will read the letter, they will appeal, and it will still work for them. Other than that, restructuring only works if you are still paying for their loan. Is within the repayment period. If let's say you have already lapsed for many months or many years, haven't settled the PTPTN, then it will not work for the restructuring. Make sure you pay your PTPTN in time. If let's say you're about to get a property soon, within 2 months, if you think so, go to the secrets, go to the Bank Negara and print out your secrets, look at it. If you still have that loan. That's for this episode. Thanks. Goodbye.